Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find your AI avatars that you have generated on Lensa app after you close the app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first, after you have just generated your avatars, you are able to save that pictures to your photo gallery. You can save all the photos at once by hitting right here at Save All Avatars. You can just tap right here and all your avatars pack will be saved to your camera roll. Or you can just open up any single picture and you can save it manually. You can just right here tap at Save to Photos. It gives you that options. You can save it in 4K resolution if you got Lensa subscription, or you can hit at Save in Standard Resolution if you got just a basic subscription. I got a basic one, so I can hit at Save in Standard Resolution to save this picture to my camera roll. Now I can close Lensa app and I can check my Photos app. As you can see, this picture is right here. But what if I want now to see all other avatars that I have generated on Lensa app? I have to open up Lensa app again, and to be able to see all your generated avatars, you just need to hit right here where it says Magic Avatars, and there will be all your avatars packs. As you can see, I got 2 packs as for now, and in any time you can open any of that packs. I can open up the first one and I can go through all the generated images, and in any time I can save all that avatars, or I can open up some specific picture and save just that picture. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist where you will find another useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.